Mara, wake up. Wake up, baby. Come on, wake up. Mara. Mara. Yeah, that's gonna be hard to wake up. Oh, beautiful. Queen.
I go to my school, but I can't.
Yeah, we're finally gonna make it to the bus today, right, Mara?
Yeah.
So let's go. And back to the house. I have to fold some laundry, so gonna finish that before I log on for work. So let's get that done, guys. I'll see you guys when I get home. Key holder, so nice. My zero water I like to have in the morning. Gonna add some 2 tablespoons of Timothy milk. Another bowl. 7:46. So I'm about to read the Quran before I start my work. So I'm gonna put some squeeze of lemon on there. And just add the syrup water. My little cute queen bee. 8:15, and I'm gonna do the laundry really quick. It's not a lot, so. And my little one is up too. It's rainy outside. Yeah, she messed up the blinds, my little one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fold the laundry. All done? Yes, baby.
What's that?
Shirt, baby.
I want it.
It's not for you, it's for your baba. It's breakfast time, guys. It's 10:22, so I'm gonna make some eggs for my daughter. I'm just gonna make sunny side egg. It's olive oil, and I'm gonna make her 1 egg and probably make a side of waffles or something. Yay, egg? You don't want waffle? I'm gonna make you egg, baby. Breakfast and with some milk. She wants some chocolate milk, so I'm gonna make her some of that. I'm gonna have a wheat, well, actually 2 wheat toast with not so sunny side anymore egg, and maybe I'll eat that or maybe I'll let her eat it. Guys, you have to try this. Toast your bread toast on the frying pan with just a little bit of oil. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. That's my breakfast. You finished? Good job. Almost. You want it? You want the egg?
Yes.
Okay. You can sit. Working and eating breakfast. And she wants to eat my egg as well. So I'll share some. Changing my daughter's diaper. I'm just gonna grab diaper, some wipes. And I already have the mat there. You change your diaper. Let's go. No, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. She hates getting her diaper out so much. I'm gonna be kneading my dough in the KitchenAid. I'm gonna put the piece on and then get started. Yeah, it's water. I'm gonna put it down, lock it, and then I'm gonna add, I have 2.5 cups of water here. So I'm gonna put it on level 2. Just add water. I'm not gonna put the whole thing in there. I'm just gonna do it as I go. So definitely put it on. roti, you have to see what kind of dough you prefer, because I like it a little bit like hard, like tough, because I'll roll my roti with the balin, like the roller. So it all depends on how you make your roti. I need the dough for just about like 4 to 5 minutes, and it looks like this right now. So I'm gonna turn it off and let it rest for 5 minutes, and I'll knead the dough again for another 2 to 3 minutes. About 5 minutes. I'm just gonna put back on speed 2. I'm gonna let it do its thing for another 3 to 4 minutes. Transferred in this glass bowl, and I'm making gobi ka paratha. If you want it more crispier, you can cook it on low heat and make it more crispier. This is for my daughter, Zara. The older one does not like parathas, so, or like any vegetables. But this is another trick to use leftovers. I had gobi, aloo, and matar, so I made that with the gobi paratha that I used. For Amara, I'm gonna just warm up this masala roti. This is one of my favorites. But that's what she's gonna have for lunch snack. Going on the second one. First one is gone, guys. Don't make me too. Oh, they picked up Amara from the school bus stop. Come on, Sarah.
Okay.
Come on, go. Come on. Excitement. It's so nice out today. I'm making with the milk and some condensed milk. And of course, I'm gonna wash the dishes as I make them. I'll add this much butter in there. And I'm gonna roast them until you start smelling and see a little bit redness to it. And then I'm gonna add the milk to the carton. And Amara wants a burger, so I'm making her a chicken patty burger like this. And I'm just gonna add milk in there. 2.5 cups. Let it cook for just about 10 to 15 minutes. When you see when it started thickening, and then I'm gonna add the condensed milk. So this one's ketchup, so I'm just gonna add some. I use the no sugar added. Trust me, our kids need everything with no extra sugar added. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna put half a can of this in here. Okay, I'm gonna add some sliced almonds. Should look like this. Almost done. Guys, try this recipe. It's delicious. The other half in this glass container and put it in the fridge, and you can use it, you know, another time, and it's good for just about 2 to 3 weeks. Stoves are clean, dishes are washed, kitchen is finally closed, guys.